Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you watercolor hand lettering tutorial. And for the watercolor I use koi, but you can also use other watercolors too. And I think that these colors are really vibrant, so yeah, take a look. I've got several brushes here, but in this video I'm gonna be only using 3 of them. For the first one, I have this Pentel watercolor brush. And for the second one, this brush comes in a set with the koi watercolor. And for the third one, I have this regular pointed brush. If you're new to hand lettering, let's start off by practicing the upstrokes and downstrokes. So usually, the upstrokes are thin and the downstrokes are thick. So you can basically practice this regularly to see improvements and so that you can feel and get used to the pressure. One tip that I want to share with you guys is that to draw an upstroke, I recommend that you start off slowly and steady. Take your time, don't rush. Because as you practice over time, your hand will be able to get used to the pressure and your hand eventually will be stable. If you think that you're confident with your strokes, you can start by practicing with alphabets. For this koi brush, I personally think that it's harder to hand letter with this brush because you have to be really slow when changing the strokes, because if not, it will mess up. Also, if you guys think that I write really fast, I'm not. These videos are sped up and I'm writing really slow in real life. Now I'm using the regular brush, and as I'm writing, my first impression was honestly, it gives way more thicker downstrokes than the other 2 brushes, and I don't know why. And to be honest, I have never used a regular brush nor the other two brushes to hand letter, because I always use brush pens to hand letter, so I practiced before I filmed this video. And I guess that is all that you have to do to practice your hand lettering. And now I'm gonna show you some clips of me writing, so keep watching.
I don't wanna wait to hold you. I don't wanna wait to hold you. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait to hold you. I don't wanna wait to hold you. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. What's it gonna be? So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Say what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
So before I end this video, I'm showing you how I usually practice my hand lettering. And I hope that this tips is helpful for your hand lettering practice. And if you have any questions, you can contact me through my Instagram, or you can easily comment down below. So I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!